you're having for
There's someone is suffering. They can subscribe. Just subscribe.
I think go beg you. Please subscribe. Buy data. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, never!
Thank you for clicking on this video. The video you're about to watch is the second episode of Back to School. Enjoy.
We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school.
How was class today?
My sister, class was fine. Could you believe I can no longer stand for 40 minutes? Is it because of the last holiday?
Probably.
Wow. That's serious. Are you writing lesson notes?
No. I'm writing the list of noisemakers in your class.
Do you have to answer me that way?
It's better you get back to work because we're about to school. And I advise you embrace your job seriously and deliver well.
Alright. God will help us.
I say amen to that.
We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school.
Have you subscribed? If no, please do that now. Thank you.
We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back.
Thank you for watching this episode of Back to School. See you next time.
We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back to school. We are back again to school.
Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel
And help us to share this video.
bye see you.
We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. We are back again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. We are back to learn. Again to school. We are back again to school. We are back to read. to school. We are back again to school.